Individuals often invest in various assets like residential or commercial properties and land, known as capital assets, expecting their value to rise over time. However, when these assets are sold or transferred, the profits earned from these transactions are subject to taxation, known as capital gains taxes. Now, to file these taxes easily on ClearTax, firstly, log into your ClearTax account and enter your credentials. Once you are logged in, fill in your personal information details and afterwards proceed to the Income Sources section. In the Income Sources section, scroll down to find the Capital Gains Income category. Here, click on Add Entry to begin. Continue scrolling until you reach the Sale of Land or Building subsection. You can declare your earnings while entering the relevant details manually. You would be required to first enter the details of sale date and purchase date. Then, you will have to enter details of the assets as per the fields which are shown on the screen. After that, you will have to enter the property details including the address and details of the buyer. You would be able to add details of multiple buyers where you have to mention the percentage shareholding along with the amount paid and the Aadhaar details. Post filing all the necessary details, you can simply click on the next and all the declared details would be saved automatically. The capital gains from the sale of property would be calculated, and depending on the period of purchase and sale, ClearTax will automatically figure out whether the gain should be STCG or short term or LTCG or long term. Now, after this, you can continue with the process to e-file your income tax returns. Post e-filing, you can navigate to e-verification and complete the verification process. That's how easy it is to file your taxes if you have income from a single or multiple house properties. Visit cleartax.in to file your taxes now. And in case of any inquiries, write to our support email at support@cleartax.in. Thank you.